A very enthusiastic great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, girls.
My name is Gert. Today I am here on the topic of speech. My topic of speech is the midnight visitor. In this chapter, we will study about three main characters. First one is Osable, who is a secret agent. Second one is Max, who is a thief who wants to steal the missile file from the Osable. Third one is Flo. He is a romantic writer who writes the romantic stories and the youngster stories. Now the chapter begins. In this chapter, the first Osable. Osable lives on 6th floor, 6-story building. On the 6th floor, the top floor. In the top floor, there is only one room, and behind there is no room. But in this story, we will also study that there is one room. We will discuss its next. Then the Osable meet to Floor. Floor who want to take the life story of the Osable and write in his books to publish and want to famous. The Floors told that a secret agent contain gun with him and do dissolve the drugs into the wine. But when Floor meet to Osable, he saw that Osable didn't carry any gun with him. He is also not fit. He is a fatty man. He didn't dissolve the drugs into wine. He didn't contain anything which is told. Then they both go to their room. The Osable said to waiter that can take one wine for me. Then they go to room. The Osable on the lights. The Floor seated a man containing gun with him in his hand, aiming Osable. Say, where is the file? Osable say, how are you there? The Max say, I am there. The Osable say, how you are there? I arrested you. Then the Max say, I escaped from the prison. Now I want the file which you take from me. But the Max say, again the Max say, if the file you not give me, I will shoot you. Osable say, the file will come at 12 o'clock, exact 12 o'clock. Then the Max say, if the file not come exact at 12 o'clock, I don't hold anything, I will shoot you. Then Floor say that, how are you there? I don't care about you, please let me go. But then the Osable play with smartness. He say that to the Max that there is a window. From the window, one time also a thief come and he enter my room and he also do. I complain to authorities, but how you come? The authority not listen my talks. That one time also they come. Then the Max thought in his mind that I am come from the past, gate pass. I do so means he do many hard work to take the pass of the hotel because it is not easy to take any pass of VIP in the hotel. Then the Max say, if I want to escape, so I will go from window. Then the Max say, yes, I come from the window. The window is behind the room, but there is no. Firstly we will study that there is no window. But Osable do his smartness and he said that there is a window. So Max believed on him. Then the door knocked by the waiter. But Osable do his again smartness. He said that there is police outside. The Max asked to him, why is there police? The Osable say, it is a very rare file or it is very important file for our country. So there is also security for this. Then the Max say to go back to him. But the Osable say, if I don't open the door or I don't respond, so they crack the door and enter in the room and shoot you. They don't thought any time to shoot you. Then the Max take one hand to window and say to him, if the file not come, I will shoot you now. Then the door opened suddenly. The Max run from the window or the far down and he died because there is no window. But he thought that I jump to the window and I will leave. But the Max died. And the Osable start to say, see to Floor that see, this is my smartness. It is a waiter which I say to take wine. And I say to him that he is a policeman. The moral of the story, if we have smartness, so we can do anything. Thank you and have a nice day.